Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan. We'll start with the front there, show across the front of the car, then show around the rest of the bodywork, and take you inside and point out all the features inside. Starting with the front left, that's the bonnet, out to the front, right hand side of the car. Back right quarter. Here you've got your rear parking sensors. Back side. Boot area there. Back left. Hey mate, how you doing? On the left hand side there. And back to the front left. So, in front side. Inside we've got the electric mirrors and the windows. You see you've got your central locking as well. So you've got 110,596 miles on the clock. That brings us to the driver computer. So we can change all of the audio through the steering wheel, phone, service, vehicle status, all of these various different settings as well. And you've got back to your driving computer, with your various different like trip computer information there. So to steering wheel, you've got a full leather steering wheel with voice controls, telephone controls. The wiper stalks, intermittent wipers. Automatic gearbox, climate control. Up here you've got your radio, also got digital radio as well. Got your, I think it says six cartridge CD changer, your telephone. Again, you've got all of your setup there. Automatic, it's like an auto hold parking brake, electric handbrake system. You can see the got front and rear parking sensors. You've got your manual, your sports mode, sorry, your manual change, and then obviously you've got your sports mode there. Traction control settings, tyre pressure monitoring system. Various ports here, so you've got your 12 volt port, USB port, media import and an auxiliary import. And that pretty much sums it all up. Got another 12 volt port there. Got another couple of little cubbies. In the back you've got your trays. Another 12 volt port and some air vents there. Seats in the back is excellent. This folds down, so you've got your cup holders in the back there as well. Seats in the front, cloth seats, but again, lovely condition, no rips or tears. That pretty much sums it up. If you're interested in booking a viewing on this car, please feel free to give us a call on 07917 033 781. The car comes with a 1 year warranty, 1 year's MOT and 1 year's AA breakdown cover. More information on this vehicle can be found on our website, paylessforcar.com. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.